is now. Nigerian political leaders have turned Nigeria into a mere geographic expression. Bloodletting everywhere, bloodshed, insecurity, unemployment, all manners of ills. Every institution in Nigeria has been used to self-destruct Nigeria. Not just SARS, the executive, the legislature, even the judiciary have become willing tools for the self-destruction of Nigeria. It is not just the struggling young men and women of Nigeria who should be subjected to constant abuse and arrest by SARS. It is the thieving government officials, the fraudulent government contractors who should be under arrest all the time instead of being protected. Let us stop living in pieces and go in peace. End SARS now. Restructure Nigeria now. That is the only way to survive as a people. My name is Ikesi Ibe, and I'm just speaking my mind.